Welcome back to Pretty Creative Stuff. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn an ordinary piece of printer paper, like you would print out of your printer. I'm going to show you how to turn that into decorative snowflakes. All you need is a piece of paper, pair of scissors, and something round, like a dog bowl, or a trivet, a coaster, a bowl. Anything you have that's round, as long as it isn't any bigger than the piece of paper. I think I'm going to use the dog bowl for this one, and I'm going to turn it upside down so it's a little bit bigger. I might actually be able to fit 2 snowflakes on this one. Oh, one more thing. You're going to need a pencil. First step, we're going to trace around our round object, and I do think I can fit 2 on here. So I'm going to do another one right here. Basically, you just want the circle to be the size of the snowflake that you want to make. So you can make them bigger or smaller. But in this case, I'm getting 2 snowflakes out of 1 piece of paper. Now I'm going to cut them out. I'm just using regular printer paper, but you could use pretty much any paper you have. You could do it in a fun color. You could do like construction paper in pink, green, orange, whatever. Get really creative. For a kid's room or playroom, or a school room, that could be super fun. This could be a great craft to do at school. Everyone needs to know how to make paper snowflakes. All right, now that our snowflakes are cut out, we're going to fold them in half. Fold it in half again. You want it lined up. Fold it in half again. Could fold it one more time, but this will give us some room to make a creative design. Now, no 2 snowflakes are the same, so you can cut them all differently. What you want to make sure is this edge that's attached, the edges that are attached, that you don't like cut the whole thing. You need to leave some space where it's still attached. So for this one, I think I'm just going to cut the tip off. Maybe I'll add a little cut in here to make it fancy. Cut out a little triangle. Cut that out. And then let's see, maybe this one will be all triangles. Could do like triangle here. Cut that out. Could do another triangle here. Cut that out. And then maybe I'll do a triangle here. Cut that out. This is a great craft to do with kids. My kids love making snowflakes. All right, let's open it up and see what it looks like. As you can see, the triangles no longer look like triangles. We have a beautiful snowflake with kind of a star shape in the middle, if you can see that. All right, let's do the other one. So once again, we're going to fold it in half. Fold it in half again. Fold it in half again. And we'll leave it like that so we have some room to make some pretty cutouts. Now, in this case, I think I'm just going to do I'm going to cut the middle out. You wouldn't have to cut the middle out, I just like to. And then I'm just going to cut, but not cut anything out. I'm just going to make like a little line there. And this one, maybe I'll do some circles. Cut like, if you cut a half circle, it may look more like a circle or an oval when it's done. So I'm going to do some circles this side. And as you can see, I'm making sure I leave it connected. Do some circles. Some half circles on this side. And it's probably going to end up being more oval when it's done, but we'll see what it looks like. And then I think over on this side, I'm going to just do one more cut to match like the way I just cut it over here, like that, so it'll be more round. And this one will look completely different than the other one. Here. We have 2 snowflakes. Now, different ways to use these. You could attach a string to it and hang it from the ceiling to make it look like snow is falling in any room of your house. Another way I like to do it is I'll put a little painter's tape on the back. And in this room, I happen to have some hooked to my light fixture in the over the table. All different types of snowflakes. Let me know in the comments where you would put snowflakes in your house. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about more Christmas and winter fun, crafts, food, and festivities, and beyond.